Hi guys, we have a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta GTI, and I'm trying to help people trying to find the engine this vehicle has. When the scanner is asking you to choose which one it is, and these are like four different. The scanner is showing four different versions: the 2-liter turbo, then two of the 2.5, and I made another video with an Audi that had the sticker laying here on the bottom, and basically, in order to find the engine and the information on the car here in this car, I had to actually kind of force out this foam piece, because usually it's supposed to be underneath, and I kind of managed to squeeze it under the plastic. I'm not gonna take it out completely, but here's the sticker, and it has all the information again on the engine and the transmission and all this stuff. And here we go. This is the CCTA is the engine, and then you have the transmission code, and then you have, this is the paint numbers, and those are all the options that the car comes with. So yeah, it's a Golf, so it's a Golf 2-liter. The kilowatts, or this is the European kilowatts instead of the horsepower, and then the engine CCTA. And again, I managed to pull this out underneath the plastic here in order to check that information. And we have the CCTA, and the CCTA is here, and that's the information on the car. So this is it. This is the easiest way to find it out. Sometimes I've actually managed to find this information right on top of the engine, like a sticker around these areas. Also, I see like a little CCT sign here, but this is the timing belt or the timing chain cover, so I don't think that's a reliable source. CCT, I mean, it kind of goes to CCTA because it's CCT, but again, the most reliable source would be your sticker in the back in the trunk space. So again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.